Hey everybody, welcome to Menominee Falls, Wisconsin, home of U.S. headquarters of Wacker Neuson. Today we're going to demonstrate for you a feature on Wacker Neuson's articulated wheel loaders that's purpose-built for efficiency on your job site. What we're talking about today is the inch braking pedal. So we're showing you how the inch brake pedal works on the Wacker Neuson articulated wheel loaders. All of our wheel loaders have an inch brake, and what it simply does is divert power from the wheels to the boom and bucket, hydraulic power. So the easiest way to demonstrate that is by doing. So I'm going to fully depress the inch brake pedal with my left foot, and with my right I'm going to fully engage the throttle. So I'm in full power right now, and as you can hear, this is a pretty quiet machine even under full power. I'm going to throw the machine in forward gear. So what we've got right now is a machine that's fully throttled up, inch brake fully depressed, and in forward gear. So all hydraulic power is at the boom and the bucket right now, the business end of the machine, and none of the power is at the wheels. But as I slowly come off the inch brake pedal, which I'm going to do right now, what we're going to do is we're going to start to convert some of that power to the wheels. Now you see we're barely creeping forward, so we could easily be creeping up to a truck or a hopper, whatever we may be loading. We've still got a ton of power going to that front bucket and boom, but we're still moving forward now. It's because we've still got a fair amount of power to that bucket. So if we're looking to cycle fast and inch up to something, that's how we're going to do it. As we come further off the inch brake pedal, now we're speeding up a little bit. Now again, we're never coming off full throttle. We're just putting power where we need it, when we need it. To drive into the pile, I have a little more power going to the wheels. When I get into the pile, I'm diverting some power by just coming off that inch brake a little bit, or excuse me, pressing on that inch brake a little harder. We're going to get power to that boom and bucket. Now what we're lifting today is pretty heavy material for this light duty bucket, and this machine has no problem quickly cycling through loading times. Just to show you kind of the difference between the speed of cycles that you're going to see with the inch brake engaged and not is, let's just cycle up here. Under full power, this machine cycles a load pretty quickly. Now if you're not driving with both feet, if you're not utilizing the power of that inch brake, and you're, you know, I'll put it here under, I don't know, a third throttle, we're at about 1400 RPMs. You know, we're not utilizing the power that we could be sending to the front end of this machine because we're not using the inch brake, we're not diverting the flow, we're not using it how it should be used. This machine's meant to be driven with 2 feet, and if you do that, you're going to really see that this machine performs extremely efficiently, loads extremely quickly, but it's also going to save you time and money in the long run because, you know, reduced tire wear, reduced operator fatigue, all the things that Wacker Neuson engineers into its machines are in this loader, and they're in this inch brake. And if you're using it properly, you're going to have a great time running this machine, and it's going to help you make a lot of money and be more productive. So hey, thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.
For more information, visit us online at wackerneuson.com, or for a free demonstration, visit us at testdrive-wn.com.